Hey guys, welcome back to NEXTGENBLOGGER, and in this video I want to show you how to model basketball in Blender. Now it's actually super easy to model basketball in Blender. So without further delay, let's get started and see how you can do this. Now to demonstrate this, first I would like to delete this cube as I don't really need it. And instead of this cube, I would like to add a UV sphere. So go to the add menu, go to mesh, and now select this option, that is UV sphere. Next, you need to click on this add UV sphere operator box. And right here, you're going to find this option called segments, where currently the value is 32. So decrease the value inside the segments option from 32 to 16, and now press enter. Next, we are going to create the channels which are present in a basketball. So to do that, you need to go to the edit mode and now press the number 1, and this will give you the side view of the UV sphere. Now enable the X-ray mode and now select the bottom half of the UV sphere like this. Press the letter X and select this option, that is vertices. Now select the top right half of the UV sphere like this. Press the letter X once again and once again select this option, that is vertices. Next, what you need to do is you need to make a cut, and to make a cut we are going to make use of the knife tool. So right here is the knife tool, so double click on it and now select this option, that is knife. Now make a cut somewhere around here, and once you have made the cut, to finalize the cut you need to press enter. Perfect. Next, what you need to do is you need to double click on this option, that is select box, and now select this option, that is select box. Now select the edge selection mode and now start selecting the edges that I am selecting. So press the shift key and now start selecting the edges which are present on this side. Next, you need to select the edges which are present on this side. Now select the edges which are present right in the middle. Next, you need to select the edges which are present on this side. And finally, you need to select the edges which are present on this side. Alright, now that we have selected the edges that we want, now we are going to make use of the mirror modifier to mirror this part of the UV sphere. So go to the modifiers tab, click on add modifier, and inside generate select the mirror modifier. Now as you can see, the x-axis is already selected, so that's fine. You also need to select the z-axis. Perfect. Now you need to apply this modifier, so go back to object mode and now apply this modifier. So click on this downwards arrow and select apply. Now let's go back to edit mode, and now as you can see we have created the channels. Now we need to bevel these channels, and to bevel these channels we are going to make use of the bevel tool. So select the bevel tool which is present right here and now move the bevel handle a little bit. Now once you release the bevel handle, you're going to see this bevel operator box. So inside width, currently the value is 0.0118. So you need to change the value inside the width option to 0.0285 and now press enter. Inside segments, currently the value is 1. So change the value inside the segments option as well from 1 to 7 and now press enter. Perfect. Next, you need to go to the select menu and now go to this option that is more or less and now select this option that is less. Next, you need to double click on the scale tool and now select this scale option. Now move the scale handle on any axis, and when you release the handle you're going to see this resize operator box. So change the values inside scale X, Y and Z to 0.985 and now press enter. Perfect. Now let's go back to object mode. And now what you need to do next is you need to add the subdivision surface modifier. So we are already in the modifiers tab. So click on add modifier and inside generate, select the subdivision surface modifier. Now increase the value inside levels viewport and render to 3. Next, you need to change the mode from solid mode to render preview mode. And now we will be applying colors to our basketball. So I'm going to apply 2 colors. The first color that I will apply will be applied on the entire basketball, and the second color that I will apply will be applied on the channels. And so let's first apply a color on the entire basketball. So go to the material tab and now click on the new button. Now click on base color and let me select this particular color for the entire basketball. Perfect. This looks really good. Now let me apply a different color to the channels. And so to do that, you need to create another material slot. So click on this plus symbol to create another material slot. Now click on the new button. Now click on base color. And for the channels, I would like the color to be black. So let me select the black color. And to apply this color, you need to go to the edit mode. And now the channels are already selected. The material which contains the black color is also selected. So simply click on this assign button. Perfect. Now let's go back to object mode. And as you can see, I've successfully applied the black color to the channels. Now finally, I would like to work a little bit on the texture of the basketball. And so to do that, you need to open up the shader editor. So first, let me move this window on the right hand side like this. Now let me click on editor type and select shader editor. Now let's close this window and select this first material, that is material.001. And now let's zoom in like this. Now we need to add couple of nodes. So the first node that I would like to add is the Voronoi texture node. So go to the add menu, go to texture and now select this option, that is Voronoi texture. Now place this Voronoi texture right here. The next node that I would like to add is the bump node. So go to the add menu, go to vector and now select this option, that is bump. Now place the bump node between the Voronoi texture node and the principal BSDF node. Let's now first work on the Voronoi texture node. So inside feature output, currently F1 is selected. So you need to select this option, that is smooth F1. And inside scale, currently the value is 5. So you need to increase the value inside the scale option from 5 to 200. And now press enter. Alright. Now connect the distance output from the Voronoi texture node with the height input from the bump node. And inside bump, you're going to find this option called strength, where currently the value is 1. So you need to decrease the value inside the strength option from 1 to 0.300 and now press enter. Now connect the normal output from the bump node with the normal input from the principal BSDF node. And that's it. So as you can see, we have successfully modeled a basketball. So this is how you can create a basketball in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.